Hi there! In this tutorial we are going to learn how to install Eclipse for Java. So, let's start. Go to your browser, type Eclipse for Windows 10 or 11, doesn't matter. Go to the first site, download it. So, it's downloading. After you have downloaded, click on the installer. And here select for what you're installing the Eclipse. I select Java, and the best thing, it will automatically download JREs. You don't have to search and download it. Check this checkbox if it's not checked. Accept it. So it's ready. Launch it. It's asking where to save projects. Select a path or just leave it as default. And check the checkbox. Now we can create new Java project. Give the project name. Click on Next. And finish. I create new Java class. Check this checkbox so it creates the main function. Give the class name. And finish it. Let's run and test it. I type CYCO and press Ctrl+ space shortcut, which is the best shortcut to print out. Now, right-click on the file. Go to Run As and select Java. Here is our message. I hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!